ka-traffic. Ginagawa ngayon ang Kamuning flyover. So expected yan kapag andito kayo sa may EDSA, bound to GMA Kamuning and going to southbound, may expect kayo ng heavy traffic. Kasi ginagawa nga itong Kamuning flyover southbound, okay? So just to aware all of you, the motorists, I don't know, hindi pwedeng daanan dahil ginagawa nga ang Kamuning flyover ongoing bridge work, okay? So under construction ngayon ang ating Kamuning flyover. Alright, EDSA bus carousel are only allowed to take EDSA Kamuning flyover southbound starting May 1, 2024. Alright, so right now is May 9, 2024. That's why Kamuning flyover southbound is under construction. Okay? So, just be aware all of you na baka mamaya magulat kayo na bago lang kayo makapunta dito sa may dadan kayo sa may EDSA, sa may Kamuning flyover going to southbound ay manibago kayo at reklamo kayong traffic. Well, talagang traffic naman. Okay? Ito yung bunga dyan, no? Kung halos kaharap lang ito, halos katabi lang ito ng GMA Network Channel 7 itong ginagawang under construction ng Kamuning flyover. Okay? So alright, maraming salamat sa panonood. Kaya siya tinawag na GMA Kamuning, GMA Kamuning. Kamuning Station, itong MRT Kamuning Station dahil nandito ang Kamuning Road, Barangay Kamuning Road. Alright, so minsan tinatawag din siya na GMA Kamuning dahil nandito ang GMA Network Center, no? Ang Channel 7 ng GMA. Okay, so just aware and paalala, reminders, yan. Sa masusurprise kayo.
In 1.3 kilometers.
Alright, yan.
Exit to EDSA South Service Road.
Thank you for watching. That is GMA Station, Channel 7. GMA Network Center. Okay, GMA Network. So yan ang ginagawa ang flyover. Nire-renovate. Have a good day. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Until next time, Mr. Everything Philippines.